Hi guys, welcome to another weight loss vlog. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am currently at a concert. I am at the Rascal Flatts and Dan and Shay concert. So this is how we're kicking off this week's vlog. So usually people tailgate at these concerts and there's a lot of drinking and stuff like that. So I have this little Henry's hard sparkling water. So it only has 1.7 carb per thing. So either way, I know I'm probably going to get kicked out of ketosis anyways, but at least this is a healthier alternative to beer or anything else, and they taste pretty good and they're pretty refreshing and it's super hot outside. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy the concert and I'll catch you guys later. Right then I knew just what you were thinking when I looked at you, watching that bar swing to every song. I'll stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have and a little bit. There's a love from the ground. You is all that I can do, and I'm speechless. You already know it's on my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as nervous. Every time you walk into the room. T-shirt, the same one you wore when we were sky high in Colorado, lips pressed against the bottle, swearing on the Bible, baby, I'll never leave you. I remember how bad I need you when I taste tequila. Hello there, it's Monday. I didn't really vlog yesterday just because it was my grandma's birthday and we were just hanging out at the house and there was cake and I didn't eat any. All I had was some meat with a little bit of coleslaw and that was it. Today's Monday, so I was actually looking at the keto Q&A that Makeup Shayla, I'm not really sure, she uploaded with Katie or Lux here on YouTube, and they were talking about how in the beginning of their keto journey they were eating a lot of bacon and cheese and stuff like that, and once they started to cut that out little by little, they started to lose even more weight. So I'm at a point where I've already hit one of my goals and I want to keep going. So I figured in the morning, instead of doing a lot of eggs and cheese and either bacon or meat or whatever I was doing, try to incorporate a smoothie instead. So I went out to Publix and I got myself some blueberries and almond butter. And I do have like a vanilla protein that's like 0 carbs, 0 sugar and stuff like that. So I'm going to attempt to, instead of having a big breakfast, have myself like a smoothie and put some MCT oil in it and like up my fats as well to see if I start to progress or lose even more weight or whatnot. And I'm not gonna say I'm gonna let go of cheese because I freaking love cheese, but instead of having like cheese and dairy in both of my meals of the day, I'm gonna start by cutting it off in one of my meals, I guess. So let's see how that goes. So let's go inside and make ourselves a smoothie. Guys, this shake is so bomb, like I can't even describe the taste. It tastes like almond butter for sure, but the Justine's almond butter is phenomenal. It's a bit pricey. It was actually one of the pricier options at Publix. It brings the most, so you get more for your money, because there were almond butters that cost about $9.99, 10 bucks, and it only brought about 10 ounces or so. The Justine's brought 16 ounces for $12. So I feel like that was the way better option, and it's phenomenal, smooth. I'm sorry, Aria's like causing a ruckus in the background. I thought I was gonna have to put in a packet of stevia or something just to sweeten it up a bit, even though I hate stevia, but I wasn't sure since there was really no added sugar. The only sugar that's in here is whatever sugar the berries have. So I was a little bit scared about that, but it's bomb. Like, it's not too sweet. It's perfect. Like, I'm so excited that this is going to be my new meal. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my shake and perhaps go for a walk. I've been getting a little bit sick. My throat feels kind of weird, but I hope that I'm not coming down with anything, because I don't want anything to stop me this week. I am going to be at least 169 on Friday. That is my goal. So. Guys, I am sorry if the lighting is off, but I'm done with my burger. As you guys saw in the clip before, it looks so bomb. So basically it is a mahi-mahi burger from Trader Joe's with some bacon and some homemade coleslaw, and then I made these cheese buns, and I will insert the recipe because I have a picture of the recipe, so I'll like put it right here so you guys can check it out. There's this person on Instagram, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but they're the ones that created this like cheese bun recipe. We actually made it into a pizza the other day too, and it is fire. So let's try out this burger. So good. It literally tastes like you're eating like a fish cheeseburger. It's so good. The bacon is a perfect touch, and the coleslaw. I'm sorry if we have Disney Channel playing in the background. Aria's watching TV, and that's kind of the only way I can get her to calm down while I cook and stuff like that. So that's what the noise is. This is really good, and these cheese buns are so good. And I just want to clarify that I am not giving up dairy completely, or like bacon or eggs or anything like that. I just wanted to eat less of it because I found myself eating a lot of eggs and a lot of cheese and all of the bad keto stuff, even though it's keto friendly, but it's still like not necessarily good for you, a lot during the day. So I would have an omelet with cheese and bacon or whatever meat, or an egg salad with bacon in it. So basically a lot of eggs and cheese and meat. And then for dinner, I would do the same thing, because I would make something up either that contained cheese or contained an egg or something like that. So I would be having that all day. So that's why I decided to do the smoothie as my first meal of the day, and then have the cheese or whatever other bad keto friendly food I'm gonna have at night, just so it's not throughout my entire day that I'm eating a lot of cheese, a lot of eggs, and all that stuff. So I just wanted to clarify that, just in case anybody thought I was really gonna give up cheese and dairy and all that stuff, because I'm really not. I mean, I've cut out dairy as far as like milk and stuff like that. Yeah, I've cut that out of my diet, but I just love cheese, and I really love eggs too. Like egg salad, guys. I haven't made an egg salad in like since last week that I made it for my last vlog, and I usually have egg salad like twice a week. So yeah, I'm gonna finish off my burger, and I will see you guys later. Hi guys. So it is Thursday. I don't know if it looks a little weird, and I'm sorry if this is like super distracting, but I'm driving. I'm currently on my way to my friend Jesse's house because we're gonna film a beauty video for her channel, so that should be up. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this or after this, but anywho, so I'm on my way to her house to do that. And I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's been going on this week. Tomorrow is weigh-in, and I'm pretty excited because honestly I feel super thin. I feel very, I don't know, just like I've leaned out. This week honestly has been, I haven't worked out not one time, but yeah, I feel so lean because I've been doing really good with my meals and my intermittent fasting. I have been so on point with my intermittent fasting. So I don't know, I just feel like this week is good and we're going to make progress. I don't know, I just feel so thin. Good morning, it's weigh-in day. As you guys saw, I lost 2 more pounds. I am officially in the 160s. Oh, I'm so happy. I felt it. I felt this week was going to be good. I was doing so good with the intermittent fasting and with my meals, and I knew it. I like that new change that I did in eating less of the eggs and cheese and all of that. It really helped because I did not work out once this week. Not one time did I go and work out this week. So just with changing the way I ate a little bit and sticking to the intermittent fasting, I lost another 2 pounds. So I'm super excited and I am super motivated, and next week it's gonna be good. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers and a lot of encouraging words, and a lot of people have been watching my vlogs, which makes me so happy because that's why I'm doing this. Like, I'm documenting everything and putting myself out there for anybody else that just needs motivation and needs I don't know, that kickstart to start a healthy lifestyle or whatever it is that you need. Like, that's why I do these vlogs. So I'm really happy with the feedback, and I'm really happy that people are watching and they enjoy these vlogs because I enjoy doing them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe and all of that, and I will see you in the next weight loss vlog. Bye guys. Back, you thought I left. I forgot to mention that since June 1st, I have lost 2.3% body fat. My metabolic age went down to 30. It was at 32 and I'm 27. So that was like super bad. So it went down to 30 and I lost 1.5% of my BMI. And I've lost 9 pounds since June 1st. This is all like through my Renfo app. The scale that I use to like determine all of that stuff is called Renfo. We got it on Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks. Super cheap. Yeah, that's what I use. And like, you basically get on the scale like you see every weigh-in day. And then if you have your phone open on the app, it records everything and it'll tell you like how much water is in your body, like the percentage, and like just a whole bunch of stuff, your bone mass. It tells you a lot of things. So yeah, that app tells you all of that stuff. It's super, super cool. And it's only, the scale is only 30 bucks. Like, scales usually cost around that much, maybe a little less, but like for the price and the fact that you can get all of that information just by standing on the scale straight to your phone. And it also links to your Apple Health. So all of that information also goes there too if you have an iPhone. So that's really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys that because I forgot to tell you guys in the outro that I did. Yeah, I thought that was like pretty cool, and I am so excited and so pumped. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next weight loss video. Bye guys.